wash muna tayo, madlang people. Car wash.
Please select an item by touching the options on the screen or by using the buttons beside the options.
Car
If you
wash.
have a club card, coupon, wash ticket,
Yung mga nagpapa-car wash, yung mga tamad lang na ano,
please
Yung mag-
check your receipt.
na mag-wash their car. Hindi kami kasali doon, ha.
Pakawas ka.
Pati sasakyan, ipa-car wash. After this, we're going to Sam's. Nikat mo adi ko na. Car wash muna tayo. Ayan na. Iisa lang. Oh, dalawa yung employee ngayon. Ayan, nag-car wash. Yung mga ano, sasakyan. Turn the wheel down. Tulong sa driver.
Well, this was bad.
Ayan, madlang people. We're getting in. We're going in. Ganito sila maglinis. Iano muna nila. Mark.
Are you with the government and you're filming our car
Oh,
wash?
no, no.
We don't have any shenanigans going on.
Oh, no. We're just vlogging.
He got nervous.
Yeah, he got nervous.
Why?
He thinks we're working in the government.
If he does, you plead.
Yep.
Oh, you must pay us because we advertise your car wash.
Yeah. There he goes. Ipapasyal ko sa inyo yung paano mag-car wash. Sabon niya, ang kakala mo naman, no? Ang daming sabon. Generous yung sabon nila. Hindi nagtipid. Hindi natipid. Ayan. Oh, ganda. Ayan, mga people, malinis na ang aming sasakyan ulit. $11 po madlang people. I-convert sa Pilipinas, how much, Daddy? 550 pesos pag kinumbert mo sa Pilipinas. $11 yung ano lang yun, yung basic lang yun. Kung gusto mo naman, $15 lahat na. Pati yung tire, shine na. Lahat na. Pero, syempre, mahal yung $15 na yun. Basic lang kami. It's okay. $11. I think deserve na tong truck. Saan kami pumupunta? Deserve niyang malinisan. Deserve niyang maligo ng fresh. Ayan, Madlang people, tapos na. And see you in Sam's.
All the cows come
We're here.
milking time.
Ang daming line kasi may sales today. Sale is on Father's Day. Father's Day sale for next week.
there's so much.
Yes, there are a lot of people.
Now the stores are
Ano
officially
nila,
open.
pinipilaan nila. Oh, yung mga anak dyan. Bibili na kayo mga Father's Day gifts nyo. Oh, ayan, gaya mga to, nakalayo sila para lang bibili ng mga gift.
Feels like we're in Six Flags.
Besides.
Yeah, it feels like it's in Six Flags.
Sa Six Flags?
Yeah, it feels like. Oh,
Pwede ka pa na kayo pa.
The card?
Mommy, I want to go Six Flags.
Okay.
Taylor Swift is
Okay,
all
Madlang people.
There's a line.
Yeah, we have to off ko muna Madlang people kasi ticket na lang yung mga IDs namin. Alright, dito na kami sa loob. Watermelon, everyone.
No watermelon.
No watermelon.
That's summer. Yeah.
$7. Watermelon.
Look at them now.
Yeah.
They're now going. They're now choosing.
Yeah. Oh, hold this. I'm going to the bathroom. I meet you there somewhere.
Dito lang sa TV.
Yeah. TV club. I know that's gonna be copyright. But that's copyright.
Hindi sa cover.
That's absolute copyright. What's the cheapest here?
This one. The 32.
$129 is the cheapest, I guess. How many minutes is it?
Okay, Madlang people. Uuwi na kami. Yeah, open it. Ayan yung binili namin. Konti lang. Ayan, uuwi na kami. Yeah, where am I going to put it? There? Okay. Dito yung stasyonan ng card. So, lalagay ko dito eh. Orange natin. Uuwi na kami.
Mommy, it's put into slices.
To slice? Yeah, put them to slice. Ah, it's hot. tagaw ko. Yung upuan ko. At ayan, naglapit. I-prepare lang namin ang lahat para ready to go home. Alright, let's go. Oh, but daddy, the car.
Ayun na.
Look behind. Nothing. This way or that way?
Oh my god.
What happened, baby?
Train.
The train?
F plus.
Cart train?
Kasi ate nakasuits pa na ako.
Yeah.
Come on, let's break it too.
The bacon too?
Look.
Yeah, it's good. Hmm. Ang daming dumadaan, daddy.
Hindi nga.
Stop muna kami sa pedestrian. People first. Hindi ako tapadwagan ni John John. Okay, madlang people. Thank you for watching. Next vlog again. Kasi uwi na kami. Okay. Waiting.